Welcome to the Oxford English Dictionary tutorial. The Oxford English Dictionary is the accepted authority on the evolution of the English language over the last millennium. It is an unsurpassed guide to the meaning, history, and pronunciation of over 500,000 words, both present and past. The Oxford English Dictionary is continually changing. In the first comprehensive revision undertaken since the original volumes were published between 1884 and 1928, every word in the dictionary is being reviewed to improve the accuracy of definitions, derivations, pronunciations, and the historical quotations. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the Oxford English Dictionary to search for words, to locate the different meanings and uses of a word through time, to view variant spellings of a word, to search for quotations using a specific term, and to view timelines showing the various developments of the language in a particular field, and hyperlinks to other resources to aid research. This is OED's Basic Search screen. The Browse panel is just below the Search panel. You can browse the dictionary in a number of different ways. Just click on any one of these options to begin browsing. The word of the day appears to the panel on the right. To sign up for Word of the Day via RSS feed, click on the symbol. To sign up for Word of the Day via email, click on Sign up for Word of the Day. There are two ways to search OED: Quick Search and Advanced Search. A quick search will find your term if it is a main entry, sub-entry, or variant spelling. To begin a quick search, type a word or phrase into the quick search box and click on Go. Let's type text and click on Go. The result lists 3 entries for our search, 2 as nouns and 1 as a verb. If there's only one result for your search, the entry opens automatically. If there's more than one result, a results list is displayed. Click on any of the headwords to open the entry. If there are no matching results, you're offered a list of closest matches alphabetically. Results are listed in alphabetical order by headword. You can also choose to order them by date of first use. Just click on Date to order them by date. The standard number of results is 20 per page, but you can alter this up to a maximum of 100 by clicking on the Items per Page options. The Widen Search option is a quick way to search for occurrences of extending your query term in phrases, definitions, etymologies, quotations, and throughout the full text of the OED. Just click on any of the text areas to display matching results. The Refine Your Search options allow you to narrow down results of a search using specific criteria. For example, you could narrow down the results to only those of a specific subject, such as science or technology, or by a specific language origin, such as European languages. Search within results allows you to search the text of the entries in the results list by typing the term you want to find into the search box, choosing the text area you want to search, and clicking on Go. To move quickly to a point in the results list, type the letter you want into this input box and then click on Go. Example, typing G moves the list to the first matching entry beginning with G. Let's click on Text as a Noun to view the full record. To switch between the standard and larger size text options, click on the text size buttons, which appear in the top right-hand corner of the entry window. The entry is in the main part of the left window. Information about the entry is in the right, along with links to the corresponding entry in other dictionaries and resources. The entries are listed by date, with the oldest usage and meaning appearing first, and the more recent usage and meaning appear in the bottom. Each entry lists the pronunciation, the various forms, the etymology, so we get the meaning of the word and how it was derived, and quotations to illustrate the meaning of the word. The source of each quotation is highlighted in blue. click on a work title to see more details. This usually gives a full reference for the source along with information about the author and work. Let's close out of this. Clicking on thesaurus will give you the meanings of the word through time. Let's close out of that. And if you scroll down, let's click on categories. Categories will provide the subject areas relating to the word. Let's close out of that. Some entries may be very long, and if the entries are long, you can turn off some categories so only the ones you want are displayed. For example, if you don't want to see the quotations, you can click on Hide Quotations. If you change your mind and you'd like to see the quotations, click on Show Quotations. You'll see that text as a noun has 6 senses. Here's one, and if you scroll down, you will see the others. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And different uses within those senses are numbered A, B, C, D, etc. The subdivisions A, B, C, D account for instances where the word is used for the same meaning but in a different way, such as metaphorically. We can also see the instances where text is no longer used and is obsolete. The OBS stands for obsolete. If you wish to print an entry from the OED, it'll print the entire entry, including variant spellings, etymology, date, etc. Some entries are very long. Let's look at sleep as a noun. And there it is. If you scroll down, you will see that this entry is really long. What you can do is email the entry to yourself and then just print the sections you want. You can also save the entry to a thumb drive. If you click on Cite, you will get help with citing your entry in one of 2 formats, MLA and Chicago. Let's click on MLA. Here is sleep cited in the MLA style. Please remember that the latest edition of the MLA does not require the URL. You can also export your entry to EndNote, ProCite, Reference Manager, or RefWorks. These are bibliographic software management programs that can create your works cited page for you. Here are a couple of search tips. A wildcard is a symbol which stands for any character. In the OED, the question mark represents the occurrence of any one single character. So if you type C?T, you will get cat, caught, cut, etc. The asterisk represents the occurrence of any number of characters or no character at all. So if you type C*T, you will get cat, caught, commencement, conflict, consent, cut, etc. Wildcards are useful if you do not know how to spell a word, if you're not sure in what form the term you want appears in the dictionary, or if you want to find several terms beginning with the same root. You can search for exact phrases by enclosing them in double quotation marks. For example, joie de vivre. Thank you for taking this tutorial. We recommend the Advanced Search tutorial for examining the full content of the OED.